Snackosaurus Rex. Welcome to Pat Reviews Generic Snacks. I am Pat, and today our generic snack is Gold Emblem Sour Jacks Watermelon. So if you're anything like me, you think that real watermelons are God's first draft, need a lot of improvement. I think the right direction is to make them chewier, sugarier, not as gross to touch. So I got these Sour Jacks at CVS for $1.50. Let's see how they taste. Oh, we got two there. Like it's Christmas. You know, for being named Sour Jacks, they're not that sour. I'm beginning to wonder if there's anyone named Jack involved at all. I don't know, they're fine. A little off compared to like the Sour Patch watermelon or whatever. Doesn't matter if you get these or those, this or that, high or low. Do whatever you want. Don't let me decide your whole life. Keep on snacking.